Remember the neon lights, the midnight street races, and Snoop Dogg's riders on the storm blasting through your speakers? If you're ready to relive the absolute golden era of racing, you've probably been searching for how to download NFS Underground 2 on PC for free. But let's be honest, you probably already clicked on 3 other videos today that completely wasted your time with fake links and annoying clickbait. This is Freebies on Steroids, and we don't play those games. In this video, I'm showing you the exact step-by-step process to get Need for Speed Underground 2 on PC free. Most importantly, it is 100% clean. No malware, no viruses, and no sketchy surveys, just a safe, working NFS Underground 2 free download, so you can get right back to tuning your ride. Let's jump into it. Before we get further into the video, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is provided for educational and entertainment purposes only. I did not create, own, or claim ownership of any of the game files featured. The content presented in this video is not intended to encourage piracy, illegal distribution, or unauthorized downloads in any form. The channel's mission is to create archival copies of video games to prevent them from being lost forever. In some cases, games previously regarded as abandoned may later be re-released or commercially revived. If you're the copyright holder or licensing owner of any game shown on this channel and would like the content removed, please contact me at the email you see on the screen and also at the description of this video. Thank you. So now, first things first, security. As you see from my screen, I've already downloaded the game files safely on my PC. Now, I will scan them to show you that they do not have any viruses or malwares on them. I will scan the files in front of you with 2 of the best security softwares that exist right now, and I use personally, which are Bitdefender and Malwarebytes. This way, you will see for yourself that the files are clean to download. This may take a while, so sit back and relax a little. As you see, game files are totally clean and safe to download. So now, we move to the download part. To download Need for Speed Underground 2 on PC free and safely, I've created a Google Doc with step-by-step instructions, so you can easily follow each step carefully and understand all the things you need to click and do in order for you to get the game correctly without any problem. I've done this to help you, so you don't get confused about where to go or what to click. The link to this doc, you'll find in the pinned comment and also in the description of this video. So go ahead, pause this video, click the link, follow the instructions carefully, and come back here once you get the game files. So now that you have downloaded the game correctly, there's one last thing for me to explain to you how to install and play Need for Speed Underground 2. But I'm not going to bother you too much here, because this is a very easy and straightforward thing to do. This is because you don't need to install the game at all. The downloaded files come with a pre-installed game already. To play the game, you just need to double-click Speed2.exe inside the game files. That's it. One last thing before I say goodbye. In fact, 2 last things. First, I recommend installing all the driver packs that you see here, so that this game works correctly. These driver packs come in help also with other games in the future that you may decide to install and play. And second, this game wouldn't be possible to play without the work of a guy named ChemicalFlood. So, special thanks to ChemicalFlood for the game files of NFS Underground 2. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, as I will do my best to answer you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. Till the next time, take care